Hi, my name is Brian Evans and thank you for visiting my site. If you've come this far, then you're probably someone that might be looking for a higher return on your investment. Well, I'm here to tell you that I meet people every single day that are just so frustrated and fed up with the returns on their investment dollars and the ups and downs of the stock market and the low returns on the CDs and everything else in between, you name it. So let me tell you a little bit about myself and we can decide here if the next step is something you want to consider. Again, my name is Brian Evans and I'm a full-time real estate investor. I buy properties and then I sell properties. I buy properties and I hold properties. I do everything with real estate. And the way that I'm able to buy and sell so many properties is because I work with regular people, silent partners if you will, people that actually loan money to me to buy these properties with. In exchange for that loan, I sign on the note, there's a mortgage secured against the property, and you get a high return, fixed rate of return on your investment. Typically, I pay anywhere from 10 to 12% on average, and every investment that you make is 100% secured by every single real estate property that I do. So if something ever happens to me, then you get the house back 100% with tons of equity above your loan. So again, the way that I'm able to do this and offer higher returns that's at a lower risk than anything you'll find anywhere else is simply because I buy properties at a very low loan-to-value ratio. I buy properties that can sell immediately whether I fix them up or resell them. And I'm very, very good at what I do. I have bought and sold hundreds of properties. I have hundreds of testimonials from sellers I've bought houses from and buyers that I've sold houses to. I'm a two-time best-selling author in real estate. I've had 3 published books. I'm also a full-time real estate expert and consultant and speaker. I offer training and teaching to other people that look to get into real estate investing. If it comes to real estate investing, I eat, drink, breathe, sleep real estate. So the next step would be for you to browse this site a little bit more, find out if being a private lender and getting a higher rate of return where your actual investment is 100% secured by a piece of property of greater value, if that interests you at all and you want to have more control over your investments, then we need to get together and talk personally very soon, because I can tell you this, the more investments, the more good people that I can find to work with, and that means the more real estate transactions that I can do personally, and it's a 100% win-win relationship. My company is BT Investment Group. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. I've been doing this for nearly 10 years. I'm the best there is in town at what we do, and my goal again is to try to create a win-win relationship. So without trying to go through all of the nuts and bolts and all of the details on this video, I would simply recommend that you take the next step and get the free guidebook that I've offered you. It's called You Be the Bank. It will answer virtually every question that you can possibly have about this business and about being a private investor in these real estate deals. And if there's a question in there that you don't get answered, then pick up the phone and call me and let's talk privately. Let's talk in person. Help me understand what your situation is, what your needs are, what you're looking for, what your comfort level is. We borrow money from people anywhere from $25,000 up to $500,000 and everything in between. So no investment is really too low and no investment is too high. My goal is to try to put your money to work as soon as possible, 100% secured by real estate of greater value, pay it back to you relatively quickly at a good, strong, high fixed rate of return, 10-12% on average, and then do it all over again. And if you invest your money through an IRA, either a traditional or Roth IRA, then you have tremendous tax advantages for doing so as well. If it's a traditional IRA, then your tax dollars, then your profit is taxed at the rate when you pull it out. If you invest through a Roth IRA, then your investment is tax-free for life. It's beautiful. I do all my IRA investments through a company called Equity Trust. I go through all that in more detail in this free guidebook. Again, I just wanted to introduce myself and say thank you for visiting and just let you know that there are so many other opportunities out there for investing your hard-earned money to make it grow strongly, that you have control of, that you can diversify and so forth. So take a look at this guidebook, download it, and feel free to call me, shoot me an email, or get in touch with me any way you want when the time is right for you. I look forward to hopefully meeting you in person someday soon, and maybe we can work together and put your money to work for a good, strong rate of return. I look forward to meeting you soon. Again, thanks for watching. Take care.